always carry a little bit of change. And every morning is as chaotic as the previous one. Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are doing absolutely great. And thank you for all the comments that you guys have left in all the previous videos. And I hope to keep entertaining you as we go along. But today is an exceptionally special day because the weather on the other hand is getting colder by the day. So last night was about 9 or 10 degrees and the whole morning has just gone like this. It's been drizzling continuously, on and off, on and off. We have to buy an umbrella. Keep forgetting. We have about 8 minutes to get to the bus stop and we should just about make it in time, hopefully. And that's the local health center. Bhago! Run, 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 run!
Turn right?
Nope. You're on time. Actually, we're a little ahead of time. So that is where you leave your vehicle over here for the day or for the evening or whenever you want to, and then travel to the railway station or travel to the bus stop close by and then travel the rest of the way. That's if you do not want to drive there. So our whole morning today has just been running. It's good, it's exciting. And that's our bus. Today is a lot of running with your friends, a lot of running. Bye, have a nice day. I like the wheels on this cycle. You see that bus going there? The bus was late by 5 minutes and it caused so much chaos. 5 minutes, not much. There, but here everything's different. Anyways, Pavi made it to class on time. All is well. I'm wiping my nose because so everything is just so surreal right now. It is very hard to actually put down in words. It's phenomenal though. It's got a very nice balance of being stark at the same time being beautiful. It's just clean. Using a couple of combination shots from the XA7 and my phone, so I'm going to leave a description right next to the picture below or something like that where you guys should be able to understand what I've shot with. And the wind is crazy, so I'm just going to take a small little walk around the park. There are absolutely beautiful surreal images to be made over here, so hope you guys like the pictures that are coming up, and do leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any doubts or questions about the pictures coming up. So I think I damaged the mic a little bit, hopefully not too much. Screw it back in. So that is actually a children's park over there and it is filled with beautiful structures. Let's go take a look. This is just ridiculous. The number of pictures that can possibly be made over here is just absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna have a lot of fun here. So the weather today is pretty flat. There's no light and shade effects happening. It's just very washed out today. So I saw a security guard coming and I was ready to get into like full-on conversation with him as to why I'm shooting this, what exactly I'm shooting. But then on the other hand, he looked at me, smiled and he kept walking. By now, if this were India, they would have had like 5 security people around me waiting to just to see, just to scope you out to do something. But here, it's free. It feels like there's a storm coming. So we are now back to where we started, and that was an amazing little walk around the Olympic Park. Found some beautiful locations and I'm looking to do some portraits. So if you guys would like some pictures of yourself, done ballet dancers especially that live around the Stratford area, I'm trying to put up a portfolio together. So if you do want some pictures, do leave a comment in the comment section below and I will get back in touch with you. And we are back at the mall. Okay, now that is a medium sized burrito and this is a large sized burrito, and it is pretty large. It's massive. Okay, so we have like a whole bunch of options to choose from over here, and this is the veg burrito. Absolutely amazing. No. Okay, so I just tried out the veg burrito and it is packed with flavors. It is just phenomenal. The moment you take a bite into it, the subtle flavors just hit your tongue and it is strong. So we're here at the Westfield Mall and I'm at the tortilla stall over here, which is on the second level, and this is amongst the best burritos that I have ever bitten into. The amount of flavor was just absolutely fantastic. I opted for a pulled pork flavor and Pavi took the veg. So that is the tortilla wrap. Outside we have a lot of corn and then there are some beans with some tomato flavored rice in it. It is just absolutely filled. The flavors are completely different because I think I have the salsa and the pork is just absolutely so soft. The quality of meat is amazing. It's a nice bite. And that is what the inside of the pulled pork burrito looks like. You have the pork meat over there with rice, and then there is avocado. We have some guacamole in it as well with red beans. The level of spice is not very high in this. It's like a medium spicy level, and the lady at the counter did warn us that it is not that spicy over here. So it's pretty good. In this bite you get to see a little bit of the guacamole. Check out the amount of flavors packed in there. Okay, now another very interesting fact about it is, even though it is massive, it is still about the size of my head right now. It's not very heavy on the palate. It's very subtle, I think, which makes it very easy to eat as well. So there's no doubt in why you can't finish one of these. So every bite that you take has a good amount of pork in it with a lot of salsa mixed with the guacamole sauce. So every bite that you take is absolutely flavorful. Sinfully delightful are two of the words that I would use for this. I also had a couple of bites of the veg burrito and that was also pretty good. And this is the station we got down in. And I kind of like the architecture over here. It's a complete contrast from where we are staying right now. And these people are flying. Check out the bikes. I love the biking culture here. And then of course we have some nice art on the wall.